Hello, welcome to another video by George's Shed, and today we're going to be opening this parcel that I just got. So I've already done the hard work and cut off all the tape holding this box shut. So now for the big reveal, this is what I've got. So first item is a lovely piece of cardboard, not very interesting. Next item is a load of ribbon cable. So here we've got some male to male connectors. Here we have some male to female connectors, female to female connectors, and also some male to female connectors. So we've got a type of each. We've also got a few loose cables here, and we've also got a moisture sensor here. So this can be used with various microcontrollers and stuff. To find out the moisture concentration in the soil. And then in this package here we've got a relay board. In fact, let's get this open. With the bluntest scissors in the world. So there is our lovely relay board, which is actually quite a nice one. So it's a 4-channel one, so I can control 4 different things with that. While we're at it, I'll also open the moisture sensor. Although it's not really that interesting. I mean, if I'm honest, I didn't buy this moisture sensor particularly. I just bought it because it came with everything else. So there it is. And finally, for the moment of truth, if you haven't already worked it out, is these two other pieces of cardboard. I'm joking. Is of course this. I'm sure you can see through the bubble wrap the unmistakable shape of a Raspberry Pi. Let's get that open. And here it is. So the people who are clued up on Raspberry Pis will easily be able to recognise that this is a Raspberry Pi 3 B+, because it has the covered Wi-Fi and Bluetooth module, and it also has an improved heat spreader for the CPU. So this is clocked up to 1.4 gigahertz. So it automatically pretty much overclocks itself from the base CPU. So on this channel I've done a few videos on the Raspberry Pi in the past, but my Raspberry Pi 2, which I did a few videos on a while back, that broke, so that's why I never got a chance to do any more videos. But now I've got this, I'll be able to remake some of the old videos since they weren't very good, and hopefully I'll be able to do some new projects with this. So I'm hoping to make a server, so a web server. Might have a go at making a NAS server as well.